Kahit nasaan pala tayo, no, nandun si Lord. Alam mo, akala ko dati, you can only connect with God by only attending Sunday service. Akala ko noon, enough na yon. But it makes sense now, na pag mas lalo ka palang kumokonek kay Lord, doon mo mas ma-realize that you can worship and have quality time with God, even moment like this. Ngayon, mas lalo kong na-enjoy at may mas peace na sa gitna ng gulo pag sinama mo palagi si Lord sa bawat galaw mo. Alam mo, ilang taon ko ding paulit-ulit na naghahanap ng pahinga sa kung ano-anong bagay. Ikaw lang pala. And this is a great reminder for everyone that you can always do everything with Jesus. Because God is the answer. God bless you all.